For 2025, Harley-Davidson Street Bob gets a serious attitude upgrade. And if you're thinking about bringing one home, here's everything you need to know before you twist that throttle. Walking around the bike. The new FXBB Street Bob stays true to its lean bobber roots. Mini ape-hangers, mid-mounted controls, and that stripped-back Softail silhouette. But now, the details hit harder. Sharper tank graphics, a fresh medallion inspired by Willie G's 1966 design, and 5 color options: billiard gray, vivid black, centerline, iron horse metallic, and purple abyss denim. Underneath, it's packing the all-new Milwaukee-Eight 117 Classic V-Twin, a jump from the previous 114. You're looking at 91 horsepower, 156 newton-meters of torque, and that signature low-end punch Harley riders live for. The new 2-into-1 exhaust boosts flow and sound, while revised Showa suspension keeps it planted in corners. A 4-inch analog LCD combo gives you quick access to 3 selectable riding modes: road, rain, and sport. Full LED lighting is now standard, and Harley's latest rider safety enhancements bring cornering ABS, traction control, drag torque slip control, and tire pressure monitoring. All standard, all working in the background to keep your ride smooth and stable. The solo seat sits just 680 millimeters from the ground. The tank holds 13.2 liters, and there's even a USB-C port to keep your phone charged on long rides. Adjustable preload in the rear shock means you can dial it in for solo cruising or a fully loaded weekend trip. Lean, fast, and built to turn heads, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Bob isn't just a bike, it's a statement. And with more power, more tech, and sharper style than ever, the only question left is, are you ready to ride?